Responsive website design. Provide an optimal user experience on all devices. In today's digital world, responsive web design is no longer an option, but an absolute necessity. Optimizing the user experience on all devices is a fundamental pillar in guaranteeing the success and visibility of a website. In this article, we'll explore best practices and strategies for developing websites that adapt perfectly to all types of screens, offering an unrivaled user experience. The importance of responsiveness in web design. Responsiveness, or the adaptability of a website to different screen formats, is crucial to reaching and engaging a wide audience. With the proliferation of mobile devices, users expect smooth, intuitive navigation, whatever the size of their screen. A responsive site not only enhances the user experience, but also contributes to search engine optimization, SEO, a vital aspect of outperforming the competition on search engines. 2. Fundamentals of responsive design. The implementation of responsive design is based on several key principles. Grid fluidity. Page elements automatically adjust to the width of the screen, ensuring a harmonious layout of content. Flexible images. Images can be resized or adapted to avoid distortion and ensure fast loading on all devices. Use of media queries. These CSS instructions enable you to modify the style of a page according to the characteristics of the device, offering maximum personalization of the user experience. 3. Best practices for responsive web design. To create a high-quality responsive website, certain best practices must be followed. Prioritize simplicity and clarity. A clean, intuitive design facilitates navigation and enhances the user experience on screens of varying sizes. Optimize performance. Loading speed is essential to hold visitors' attention. Optimizing images and using delayed loading techniques are key strategies for speeding up the site. Testing on different devices. Using test and simulation tools to visualize the site on different devices ensures a consistent, seamless user experience. 4. The impact of responsiveness on SEO. A responsive website doesn't just enhance the user experience, it also plays a key role in search engine optimization. Google favors responsive sites in its search results, considering user experience as a key ranking factor. So responsive web design is essential to improve online visibility and attract qualified traffic. Technologies and tools for responsive design. The development of a responsive website relies on the use of advanced technologies and tools. CSS frameworks such as Bootstrap or Foundation, which provide a solid foundation for creating responsive designs quickly and efficiently. Web development tools like Adobe XD or Sketch, which make it easy to create prototypes and visualize designs on different devices. Extensions and specific plugins for content management systems, CMS, enabling quick and easy customization of responsiveness. 6. Conclusion. Responsive website design is essential to deliver an optimal user experience on all devices. By following best practices and exploiting the appropriate technologies and tools, it's possible to develop sites that not only meet user expectations, but also outperform the competition on search engines. The key to success lies in a user-centric approach, ensuring that every visitor benefits from fluid, intuitive,